Hey, what's up all? Welcome and welcome back again for another amazing video, and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us. If this is your first time clicking on our videos, I really do appreciate that. Thank you for clicking on our video, and kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. For our returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. We really do appreciate your continued support, and we do thank you so much for that. Okay, for this video today, we are going to be making a coffee table which has a design on it, but you will see the progress as we make the video. So make sure to stick till the end of the video so that you will see the design, so that you see the process and materials that I've used in this video. For this video, I used metal. I also use an MDF board and a formica. And also I did use a conta glue to attach the formica on the boards, that is to bring out the marble effect on this table. And then I used 1.5 screws to attach the frame, this metallic frame, to the boards. But everything is in the video, so just keep watching the video. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Like it, comment and share, and I really do appreciate that. Visit our channel, watch more of our content. We have a lot of DIYs in this channel, a lot of different varieties of DIYs. We do transformation videos, mostly on beds. I will also do a lot of we do interior design, so a lot of content is in this channel. So you can visit our channel, watch more of our content, and we will do appreciate that. Thank you so much. And guys, before you start asking the measurement for this coffee table, the height for this coffee table is 16 inches, and then the top part is 2 by 3, and then it has that part you see us making. It's 2 by 2, that is feet. The top, I said, it's 3 by 2 feet, and then this part here is 2 by 2 feet, and then the smaller one is 1 by 2 feet. But you will see as I put the tops on them, because it has 3 tops. So basically those are the measurements for this one.